Avs fans are trying to get out of the AAC, and we know that place was packed tonight, so it's probably a mess over there.
Can we go back to that camera shot?
Yeah, let's go back if we can.
Is that an option? I know it takes a few moments to do that. Yep.
There you go. Yep.
Yeah.
So there we go.
You see the water kind of pooling there on the road a bit.
It's wet.
Yeah.
Water's going right where it's supposed to go, right in those drains.
But
look at that.
10:20, people are ready to go home.
Heck yeah. Yeah, they are. Okay, so let's go from that over to this. Let me show you this thunderstorm watch. It's in effect until midnight tonight. I will tell you, is the severe threat over? It's pretty close. I mean, I think we still have some winds, but I think for the most part, the severe threat is over. And I'm not overly concerned. This flood watch technically goes until 1 o'clock tomorrow, but the rain's going to end in the next couple of hours. So I'll show you that in just a moment. So here's the thunderstorms that are rolling through. None of these are severe. There are 0 severe thunderstorm warnings out there across North Texas. Matter of fact, we have, I mean, this is just rain with a little bit of lightning up here in Fannin County, in Grayson County, down here in Collin County. We never had any severe thunderstorms in Collin County or Denton County tonight. We had winds of like 30 miles an hour. That was good. In Dallas County, we had 1 severe thunderstorm warning. But the strongest wind that we have, it was interesting, we had a severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas County, but the winds at Love Field and other locations were only in the 30s. So Love Field had a 35-mile-an-hour wind gust. Severe's 58 or stronger. So that didn't happen here. But this storm, with some lightning and some heavy rain, it'll arrive in Wiley at 10:25, Rockwall at 10:31, Royce City 10:44, Josephine at 10:51, Quinlan 11:01, and Greenville at 11:13. So this storm is out of Dallas County about 15 minutes or so. The Metroplex is clear for severe weather now. And this thunderstorm that's up to the north, that's going to be out of Dallas County in the next 15 minutes. Down to the south, Ferris, you're seeing rain, Waxahachie, none of this is severe. But Ennis, in about 5 minutes, you'll start seeing some thunderstorms, about 30 minutes for you, 20 to 30 minutes, of Corsicana, the same thing down in Richland. So some thunderstorms in these locations. That's the way the radar looks. There it is. Here it comes. And there it goes. So just about on time, it'll be exiting Dallas County, exiting the Metroplex in the next 15 minutes or so. But none of these thunderstorms are severe. And you can see by midnight, it's starting to move into East Texas. Now watch this. All of North Texas is dry. It's over with by 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, but all of North Texas, not just the Metroplex, but all of North Texas is dry by 4 o'clock in the morning, and then we don't have any rain after that in the morning. Watch what happens in the afternoon. Big area of dry weather. So tomorrow, I think late in the morning through the early afternoon, we'll start to see some sun peek out a little bit here and there, okay? Then this is 12 o'clock tomorrow. Let's check this out. See this? Here it comes. I mentioned mid to late afternoon tomorrow. We have a little bit of rain in the forecast. There we are at 3 o'clock. Now we'll check this out. There's 5 o'clock. There's some rain. This isn't severe. It's just some showers. There's 6, 7 o'clock. Okay. A little bit of rain around. There's 9 o'clock, and then that's it. So from about 3 p.m. tomorrow to 9 p.m. tomorrow, we have some rain. And then we cloud up as we head through Sunday night. We start, excuse me, I've talked for 15 hours today. We start Sunday morning with some clouds, and then watch this. By lunchtime, the sun starts to come out on Sunday, and Sunday afternoon turns out to be a really, really nice day. My forecast tonight, while I still have a voice, thunderstorms are ending. The Metroplex, the severe weather threat has ended, and the thunderstorms will end in the Metroplex in the next 15, 20 minutes or so. Before 11 o'clock, the thunderstorms in the Metroplex will be over with. Excuse me, gusty winds, 64 is the low tonight. Those Camels, non-filtered Camels, Joe, I got to stop smoking them. Scattered rain as we head through the mid to late afternoon tomorrow. Many dry hours tomorrow and some sunshine, breezy at times, 76 tomorrow. There's the next 14 days. Look at Monday, 78, 71 on Tuesday, 60s Wednesday and Thursday. Halloween is Friday. And boy, I'm excited about this, even though my kids don't trick or treat anymore, or they shouldn't be trick or treating. Temperatures on Friday in the 60s. And then look at that. The weekend that follows, it's the time change weekend. Daylight saving time ends, standard time begins. Don't forget to change the batteries in your smoke detectors, your carbon monoxide detectors, and while you're at it, you should change your air filters. Even the water filters too, why not? But that weekend's going to be, people get really PO'd at me, Chris, when I don't say to change the batteries in the smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors, and I don't want the Lennox man mad at me because I haven't mentioned to change the air filters. 70s next weekend. It looks like a beautiful weekend. Then 70s and 80s as we head through, and then an 80, I shouldn't say 80s, but a day in the right at 80 as we head through the week of Monday, November 3rd.